Hi everyone, Tom from VIP Security, and today I'm going to show you how to activate a line crossing detection on a HiLook camera. So if you're on your live view, right click anywhere on the screen, navigate to exit full screen and left click, navigate up here to configuration, left click on configuration, navigate to event and left click on event, navigate to smart event, left click on smart event. In camera you can select the camera that you want to activate the line crossing detection on. Next, you just want to come here to enable and click enable. Now you want to draw area. Start by left clicking on the first point of the area and then left click again to create the second point. Then left click on apply. Secondly, you can pick a target filter. I'm going to disable vehicles and then just click apply again. If you want to receive notifications, make sure that Notify Surveillance Center is ticked. Also, you must click apply once ticked. Cool. And now just navigate back to the live view by clicking live view. And that's how you activate a line crossing detection on a HiLook camera.